Okay, we're back at this question. I know the question is not asking for it, but let's say the question was had a confidence interval problem. So construct a 99% confidence interval. So let's do that. Again, we're going to use our calculators. So let's take our calculators out. We just did a sample t-test, and so you can imagine that the interval will be a 2-sample t-int. So let's scroll down and look for that. And here it goes, 2-samp t-int. Now since we just did this in our last video, we can take a look at all the data that's still there for the 2-samp t-int. And then we'll scroll down. This time we want to construct a 99% confidence interval. So let's do a 0.99. And we'll keep the pooled for no, and let's calculate. So this is the information that we have. We'll paste it. Whoops. Let's see if we can paste it here. Alright. So let's make some comments here. So we called on the 2-samp t-int, and then our interval goes from negative 2,621 to 1,568.3 as the mean, the difference between the two means, so mu1 minus mu2. One thing we can see is that the mean does contain 0, or the difference between the mean contains 0. So we could be looking at something that's not significantly different. So let's make a comment about that. Since the difference between the means since the confidence interval difference between the means contains 0, we can say that there's not a significant difference. Say there's not a significant difference between the mean number of words spoken by men versus the mean number of words spoken by women. So this confirms our previous conclusion from the null hypothesis that the number of words spoken by men is not less than, or at least the data doesn't support this claim, that the mean number of words spoken by men is not less than that for women. So here we can say that there doesn't seem to be a difference between the mean number of words spoken by men and the mean number of words spoken by women. Okay, so that's a quick confidence interval calculation. So, okay, I hope that helps.